Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Linz, and today we're bringing over what I do on Instagram on Dr. Lindsay Schmidt over to YouTube, and we're doing Mobility Monday. So if you're coming from Instagram, thank you so much for swinging on over here. And if you're from YouTube, let's do some Mobility Monday. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another Mobility Monday. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. We're gonna start right here on our backs. And we're going to stretch out those hips, that glute, and that spine as well. So let's go ahead on our backs, face up, palms up in the air. We're gonna lift up our right leg straight up in the air. Then we're gonna drop it down to our left. Let's totally have that leg extended out. We're gonna hold that for a few seconds with some deep breaths. So just hold it. Feel that stretch along the glute and into the leg. Now what we're going to do is bend that right leg at the knee. Feel the leg drop into the floor and have more spinal rotation happening. So just relax that leg down into the floor. Deep breath. It's a little tight for me. Now we're going to take our right hand, fold it into our left, and then we're going to rotate our hand out and away, the palm, back to the opposite way. So both of our shoulders should be touching on the floor. Now we're going to touch our hands together again. And slowly bring that palm face up to the ceiling and to the floor and touch it to the floor. Now at this time your right leg should be touching the floor still if you can. Okay, so focus on that. Okay, we're gonna go back to center. Extend that right leg up. Now we're gonna drop it down to the left. Hold it. Fold that right knee. Good, now we're gonna do quicker touches. We're gonna touch the hand. 1, bring it back up, and touch again. 2, bring it back up. Good. Now let's switch sides. We're gonna do the same thing 2 times. Palms up, extend that left leg. Now we're gonna drop that left leg to the right. Whoo, hold it. Feel that stretch in the glute and in the leg. Bend that knee. Good, feel that leg drop into the floor. Deep breath. All right, left hand to right hand, touch. Palm up to the ceiling, to the floor. And one more time, touch. Palm up to the ceiling, touch it to the floor. All right, back to center. Bring that leg up. Drop that leg back down to the floor. Fold at the knee. Feel that leg drop. Now we're gonna touch our hands. Ready? And touch. Go to the floor and touch. Back to the floor. Good. Now we're gonna go back to center. What I want us to do now is we're going to lift both of our legs up straight in the air. And we're gonna put both of our hands up over our head. So stretch up over the head as far as possible with those hands. Now I want you to point your toes. Deep breath in, out. Now I want you to flex your toes and dorsiflex your ankles so you're bringing your foot closer to your shins. Keep those legs straight. You'll feel a stretch in the calves. Take a deep breath in, out. One more time, point, breathe in, and out. And dorsiflex the ankles, flex the toes. Ready, and good. Now we're going to lay on our bellies. We're going to do scorpions here. With this, we're going to lay on our bellies and extend our arms out. Now we're going to start with our right leg. We're going to take our right leg and tap it, our toes, tap it to the opposite side. Hold it for a second. And back to center. Let's do it one more time on the right. Tap it. And I want you to keep both your shoulders on the floor if you can, your chest on the floor. Feel a stretch in your possibly low back as well as your hip flexors and your core. Good. Now we're going to switch sides, left leg. Tap, hold, Whew, feel that stretch. Relax one more time. Tap, hold, and relax. Okay, switch sides. We're gonna do a little bit faster. Ready? Tap and center. Tap and center. Switch sides, left. Tap and center. Tap and center. All right. Now what we're going to do is push up into a downward dog. And what I want you to do is push those heels into the floor, push your head through your hands, and hold it. You should feel a stretch in your posterior chain, calves, hamstrings, buttock, really where you're the most tight at you will feel. And relax, go on the Tootsie Toes, and push through one more time. Hold it, deep breathing. Good. Drop down on your hands and knees in a quadruped position. I want you to put your left hand behind your head. We're going to do some thoracic rotation. Take your left elbow, tap it to your right, and come up. Tap your elbows together, and come up. Open the chest. One more time. Tap your elbows, and come up. Good. Let's switch sides. Keep that spine neutral. Keep the core tight. Right hand on your head. And we're going to tap elbow to elbow, come up, open the chest. Elbow to elbow, come up, open the chest. One more. Elbow to elbow, open the chest. All right. Now we're going to drop down in child's pose. This is going to be our last stretch here. Drop down. Walk those fingertips out away from your body. Deep breath in. Out. In and out. Good. So don't be afraid to do that another 2 or 3 rounds, okay? Nice and slow, focus on that diaphragmatic breathing. Don't forget to give this video a like. If you do like it, comment below that you completed this and subscribe as well. And if you are looking for more mobility flows, I also have them in my daily feel good, which I will link below as well. All right, guys, we'll see you again on Mobility Monday.